Hello and welcome back to Tech Podcast's Dev Technosys. I'm your host Yash, and in today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of e-commerce. From product recommendations to personalized experiences and intelligent automation, AI is redefining how consumers shop online and how businesses serve them. Joining me today is Amelia, a specialist in AI integration for e-commerce platforms. With over a decade of experience helping brands personalize user journeys and boost customer satisfaction using data-driven technology, she's the perfect person to help us understand where AI is making the biggest impact. Amelia, welcome to the podcast.
Thanks, Yash. I'm excited to be here. This topic is one of my favorites because it sits at the intersection of technology, psychology, and commerce. The changes we're seeing in e-commerce thanks to AI are nothing short of transformative.
Absolutely. Let's start from the top. Why has personalization become so essential for e-commerce brands today?
It comes down to competition and customer expectations. Consumers are flooded with choices. If a platform doesn't immediately feel relevant or tailored, they'll bounce. AI helps solve this by personalizing the experience for each individual shopper. We're talking about everything from personalized product recommendations, predictive search results, dynamic pricing, personalized emails, even custom homepage layouts. When AI understands a user's preferences and behaviors, it curates a shopping experience that feels hand-picked and that increases conversions, loyalty, and satisfaction.
So essentially, AI creates the digital version of a personal shopper?
Let's talk about how AI is achieving that level of understanding. What kind of data is it analyzing?
AI systems analyze behavioral data: what users click, how long they stay on a product, their browsing history, cart activity, purchase history, and even abandoned carts. It also includes demographic data, device type, time of day, and sometimes contextual data like weather or events. By aggregating all of this, machine learning models can predict what a customer is most likely to want. Not just what they searched for, but what they're likely to buy based on similar users' journeys.
That's powerful. I've personally noticed how platforms like Amazon or Spotify seem to know what I want before I do.
That's the goal. Predictive analytics is a huge part of AI in e-commerce. It allows companies to move from reactive to proactive, offering the right product at the right moment, which drastically boosts engagement and sales.
How does this translate into real time on the platform? Say I'm visiting an e-commerce site for the first time. What is AI doing behind the scenes?
Great question. From the moment you land on the site, AI is tracking your interactions, what category you explore, which products you zoom in on, how much time you spend on each item. Based on this live behavior, it starts adjusting your feed in real time. It may show related products, optimize the homepage layout, or even apply offers tailored to your buying intent. If you add something to your cart and hesitate, AI might trigger a chatbot offering help or a time-limited discount. Everything is designed to reduce friction, create relevance, and encourage action.
Let's touch on chatbots. How do AI power bots elevate customer service in e-commerce? Chatbots are becoming incredibly sophisticated. They're not just answering FAQs, they're acting as full-fledged shopping assistants. They can guide users through product discovery, help with returns, provide shipping updates, and even upsell. With natural language processing, AI bots can understand user queries, context, and sentiment. If someone types, "I need something casual for a beach trip," the bot can interpret that and suggest relevant options, even ask follow-up questions like preferred color or price range. The result is faster support, lower costs for businesses, and better user experience.
What about voice commerce? How is AI adapting to that trend?
Voice is growing fast. Smart speakers and voice assistants are changing how people shop. AI enables voice search optimization, understanding natural speech patterns, slang, and intent. Platforms that integrate voice commerce powered by AI can let users reorder products, check deals, or explore options just by speaking. It's hands-free, convenient, and very powerful when combined with personalization engines.
That's quite futuristic. On the business side, how can companies start integrating AI into their e-commerce operations?
There are multiple ways. For smaller businesses, third-party plugins and APIs like recommendation engines, AI chatbots, and smart CRM tools can offer instant value. For enterprise-level platforms, companies often partner with custom development firms like Dev Technosys to build AI modules tailored to their unique customer journeys and product structures. It's important to start with a clear goal, whether that's reducing cart abandonment, increasing average order value, or improving product discovery, and then choose the AI tools accordingly.
You mentioned cart abandonment. How does AI help reduce that?
AI monitors user behavior to understand when someone is about to abandon a cart. For example, hesitating too long on the checkout page, switching tabs, or exiting the site. It can then trigger smart interventions, a reminder email, a limited time discount, or even a chatbot offering assistance. Timing and context are key. The system learns what type of nudge works best for each user. Some platforms even use AI to offer split payments or alternative shipping to remove friction.
How about image recognition? Are we seeing that used in e-commerce now?
Absolutely. Visual search is a growing trend. Customers can upload a photo, say of a handbag or shoes, and AI will find similar products from the inventory. It's extremely helpful for fashion and home decor. Tools like Google Lens or proprietary systems integrated into apps are changing how users search. They don't need to know what the item is called. They just need a photo. This is where AI combines computer vision with search relevance to create a more intuitive experience.
That's incredibly user-friendly. Are there any risks or challenges with using AI in e-commerce?
Certainly. The biggest challenge is data privacy. Brands must ensure they're collecting and using data ethically and in compliance with regulations like GDPR. There's also the risk of algorithm bias, AI making incorrect assumptions based on flawed data. That's why it's critical to train models with diverse datasets and constantly monitor performance. And lastly, over-automation can feel impersonal if not done right. The goal of AI should always be to enhance the human experience, not replace it.
Very well said. So what's next? Where is AI in e-commerce headed in the next few years?
We'll see hyper-personalization driven by real-time AI, emotional AI that adapts to customer moods, and tighter integrations with AR/VR for immersive shopping. Expect more cross-device personalization, where your experience flows seamlessly from mobile to desktop to voice, and even predictive logistics, where AI pre-stocks warehouses based on predicted demand. The key word is anticipation. AI will help brands anticipate what users need even before they realize it themselves.
That's a future I'd love to shop in. Amelia, this has been incredibly insightful. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Yash. Always a pleasure discussing the smart future of shopping.
And to our listeners, if you're in e-commerce and looking to integrate AI for personalization, chatbots, search, or analytics, check out Dev Technosys. Their AI development services can transform your customer experience and elevate your platform. This has been Tech Podcast's Dev Technosys. I'm Yash. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.